テレビ、オラフ、
おい、ブリッコすんのやめろよ。すいませんでした。
トウモロコシ、
トウモロコシ、
チョコレート、
チョコレート、
チュッパチャップス、チュッパチャップス、
チュッパチャップス。
Are you kidding? I hate this stupid job!
Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
Crush it. Melt it. Cakeify it. Explode it. Squish it.
Is your memory card set correctly?
Shut up, you fucking slut. Jumping is not a clap.
Jugaremos, muévete luz verde.
Jugaremos, muévete luz verde.
Children die.
I took one of your organs last night. Say goodbye to your periods.
Pop it! Twist it! Twist it! Pull it! Twist it! Pop it! Twist it! Twist it! Wow! 100! You beat Bop It!
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Mi mami me quitó el celular en la playa. Me dijo, niño malo, esa batería estalla. Talla, 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 talla.
dice que le gustan los plátanos maduros. Ella me dice que le gustan los plátanos maduros. Ella me dice que
cocaine is not good for you.
Socorro! Crack! Crack! Crack!
Tudo bem.
O que fez com a princesa?
Burro, sou eu, a princesa. Sou eu. Neste corpo.
Oh, meu Deus, você comeu a princesa!
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
La vida es un carrusel.
that's a lot of words. Too bad I'm not reading them.
Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor.
Crush it, melt it, cakeify it, explode it, squish it.
Pero no, de su mala vibra a mí me protejo.
Light work, no reaction. Light work, no reaction.
Ooh. Okay, it's got a little kick. Oh.
I'm Mr. Take your bitch, take her for a trip. Fly her to New York, sign my name all on her tits.
Gambling. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
What? Girl. Me too. Ashley! Look at me.
Don't be freaked. Stay in your seats. I do this bullshit like 8 times a week.
Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up. I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
I always come back.
The only time I ever see her is when she's behind me in the mirror. Even from a distance I can hear her. I try to listen, but her whispers make my ears hurt.
Red Bull gives you wings.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
What? Girl. Me too.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women?
Я такая вся, что допиваться будешь год.
If we answer do you'll fall down.
Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh my god. I won. I actually won.
Don't make me sting you! I'll do it! You need to get out of here. Just kidding!
Let's make one thing clear here, and that's that this thing is a hoodie. Like, how do y'all even get the idea that this is a double chin? I mean, alright, maybe I understand the idea why it looks like a double chin a little bit, but guys, it's a hoodie. Alright? Yeah. Please say yes. Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. Sun takes its heels to taunt you. But after summer days, nothing stays the same. Rises the moon.
I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right. But I heard a creak.
Just go back to sleep.
I'm always quick to rage.
So go back to your stage. Now I hear it.
Run.